86 or 86 is American English slang for a no longer accessible item or a person or individuals who are not welcome. It appears to have been coined in the 1920s or 1930s. The phrase now means removing someone or something. In the 1970s, it meant murder. Most late 20th century American slang dictionaries say 86 started in restaurants and bars. In food and drink services, it means an item is no longer available, or a consumer should be removed. It's also used to get rid of someone or something. It refers to refuse to service a client, get rid of, or throw away. It may be a noun or verb, according to the OED. The noun in restaurants and bars, a term meaning an item is out of stock or a client won't be served. Likewise, it means to reject or forsake as a transitive verb derived from the noun. From 1933 to 1981, the OED presents instances. In The Candidate, the media consultant told Robert Redford, "We have to cut your hair and 86 the sideburns." Cassell's Dictionary of Slang says the 1970s added, to kill, murder, or execute judicially. This is restaurant slang. Other slang dictionaries agree. Its origin is unknown. It began in the 1920s or 1930s. Soda jerk jargon. Walter Winchell wrote about this in 1933. 13 suggested a boss was around, 81 meant a drink of water, and 86 meant out of it. Columbia University professor Harold Bentley researched soda jerk lingo, and found codes like 95 indicating a client departing without paying. Paywall. Jeff Klein suggested that Chumley's in Lower Manhattan's West Village was the source. His book The History and Stories of the Best Bars in New York states the police would contact Chumley's bar before a raid, and urge the bartender to 86 his clients, meaning they should escape through the 86 Bedford Street door while the cops came via Pamela Court. ANSI device number 86 de-energizes and locks out equipment in electrical engineering. ANSI standard number 26 used this in 1928.